150 customer service reps that take care of 7 million members in the US and Canada, and they pay a massive 200% commission for each new member you send them. So if you make a $20 sale, they pay you $40. If you make a $30 sale, they pay you $60. And if you make a $40 sale, they pay you $80. And you want to know the best part? Their service costs less than $20 per month, and they're still paying $80 per referral. It's crazy, I know, but the reason why they can do it is because people love the service, and they keep it for a long time. So they're more than willing to pay you 200% commission to bring them new members. And here are just a handful of the benefits that MCA members can take advantage of. Unlimited roadside assistance, 24 hours a day with 100 miles of towing included. $500 in travel assistance that will cover the cost of any local accidents that require you to rent a new vehicle. Up to $3,000 for legal fees to defend and protect yourself if you have to go to court. $5,000 for a stolen vehicle reward and $1,000 for farm equipment reward if someone were to rob you. $1,000 in credit card protection in case you're a victim of identity theft. Up to 60% off prescriptions, vision, and dental care. Up to $500 in emergency room benefits that cover the cost of your visit if you have to stay overnight. Up to $54,750 in hospital care benefits if you're required to stay overnight in the regular hospital. $60,000 in accidental death benefits that take care of your family if you're in an accident. Global Travel Assist program that covers you if you're in an emergency while traveling outside your home country. Personalized trip planning and travel discounts on hotels, airfare, and fun stuff. That's over $150,000 in benefits and protection that members receive for only $19.95 per month. So now that you know what the product is, it should be very obvious why it's so easy to refer people to their service and make $80 commissions over and over with very little time and effort. You can probably think of 10 people right now who could use it, and they're only a simple email or Facebook message away. That's $800 in potential income from just 10 people. And as if $80 per sale wasn't enough, there's also a second way you get paid with the Motor Club of America, and here's how it works. Every time someone on your team makes a sale and earns $80, you get paid $6. And that may not seem like much, but let's say you use this website to sign up 10 new MCA members your first week. You'll get a nice $800 check the next week, but the real magic happens when the 10 people you signed up do exactly the same thing and use this website to bring in 2 new people a day, 5 days a week. That's an extra $600 per week or $2,400 per month in your pocket, and all you had to do was send them to this website and let my free marketing and training system do all the work for you. Now, doesn't it feel great knowing that I'm taking all the burden of trying to sell people completely off your shoulders, and all you have to do is follow my step-by-step training and you'll make easy money online just like I do. That's the beauty of having a marketing system like this. All the hard work is done for you, so you can focus all your energy on marketing and earning $80 commissions. And keep in mind, this isn't limited to only people you know. I'm going to show you how I personally make thousands of dollars every day from people I've never talked to before in my life. That's the true power of the internet, and once you see how simple it is, you'll have no problem hitting your first 30-day goal if you just follow the training and do exactly what I teach you every day. So the next step is to create your Motor Club of America account, and you need to do that for 2 reasons. The first one is so that you can use the service firsthand, so that you feel comfortable referring people to it, and you know exactly how it works if someone asks you a simple question. Not to mention it's something you actually need, unlike 90% of the stuff people are trying to sell online. And the second reason is so you can get your unique affiliate link that allows you to earn 200% commissions for each new member you refer to the Motor Club of America. Now, it wasn't easy getting the owners of MCA to pay that kind of money for a service that's under $20 a month. So in order to get the $80 on every referral, you must be a Total Security member with your first and last months paid up front. And I'm going to walk you through the whole process of signing up right now. So just follow along with me and you'll be ready to earn your first $80 commission in the next couple minutes.